Hi everybody! Welcome back to the vlog. This is Mami Joanna Bante of the Abante Squad TV, and for today's vlog, I would like to do a Bahrain haul. Okay? And then again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So we went to Bahrain yesterday. For number one is we visited the Tree of Life, and then we went to attend a mass in the Our Lady of Arabia. After that, we went to this famous restaurant there in Bahrain. It's called Bahay Kubo. So we met a lot of Filipino families there also. And then we went to the Elite Resort and Spa for a very short, an overnight stay. Then just to, see how in Bahrain, what's life like there, and they're trying their resort and spa as well. And after that, there's a famous, para siyang go-to place for shopping sa Bahrain for us living here in Saudi Arabia. Then we crossed to Bahrain, so that's our favorite place for shopping. Okay, so for today's vlog, the first was really, I think you see this most of the time we go to this shopping center. It's called the Children's Place because my kids really want to have a new set of pajamas. Kay gamubo na daw. Okay, and this is also in preparation for another trip that we will have hopefully next month. Okay. So these are the things that I got from the Children's Place. So this is a alright, okay, here. Kanang kuan siya. This is a set of dinosaur pajama for Kuya Ethan, and then another pajama here, ninja. Okay. Ang nice manggudid to kay naamang gud sila bargain deals, mag-sale ba. So, ganahan sa mi mo adto kay siyempre kanang set na pwede put siya like this item and you get then the next item will cost like this. So, bargains here. Next is another set of pajama because Ethan likes pajama. And in one of our lessons, I think I made mention in my past vlog that when it comes to proper what do you call this, parang decorum, etiquette, grooming, etc. in that particular area, so appropriate outfit for appropriate activity or occasion. So kung sleep, they like to wear pajamas good. So the kids kay sleep man siya pajamas niya. Yeah, the set of pajamas that they have right now mubo na jud sa ilaha. So ni-complain na dun sila. In my case, I like kanang the thicker the material, the better. Kay tugnawon man ko. So, di kay ko ganahan sa tugnaw gyapon ang pajama. And aside from that, kung ako, sa akong case, aside sa ang kids, kay pajama dyan na sila, I also wear socks. Kay kung tugnaw ang aircon, ganahan ko nga akong tiil sa kanang coverage siya. And here manggod, it's most of the time walking. So we have to take good care of our feet. So I put lotion and then wear socks kay or mo smooth kay sigod kalyo-kalyo na ta din handapita. So yun na siya. Again, and this one is for Ayen. Yun siya, butterfly. Kay kuan magod siya bargain. I was not sure kasi daddy man ang ibay ani. Si daddy ang ibay ani nila. So this one, 2 sets. Kay more discounted rate for mga discounted rate bargain. So, mga to me. So, the Children's Place. Alright. And my next item in the haul, is this one. So, daddy mo siya. Because I went to a shop, manggod ko, check for Ayen's outfit for her recital. Though we already have prepared one here. Okay, every time I see like kanang lagi bargain sale or na inindot na outfit, I buy it right away kay gamit niya for her recital. And then this one, di ko mo unbox kang daddy mo ni, so ako na siya i-appeal. Muna siya yung gaming headset kay mga gamer man na si daddy, so kanang ganahan siya ani para ma-concentrate siguro siya sa yung game and stress reliever. So muna siya. Then the next item is we went to this Sun and Sun Sports. Okay, this is for again, this is like our lesson recap na appropriate outfit, appropriate footwear for appropriate for a particular activity, or need to have right accessories for the activity. Again, all right. So this one is Nike Air Max shoes. So nindot ni siya for walking, gaan ra pud ni siya. Dili na siya usaoy duha sila. Siya. This one and this one also. So for walking na siya kay diri man good. When you go travel, it's most of the time walking jud siya. Okay, walking. So kinahanglan jud ta mo adjust sa walking. Maglakaw jud ta. And then this one is another one. It's okay. This is for basketball naman. Okay. Okay. Again, kids, alright. The intent of this video, aside from the normal haul, is really, this is for the kids, this kids guide. No, my kids ba? Our kids guide. This is really, one moment ako na i-adjust. Okay. Alright. Guide ni siya sa mga bata. Especially, our lesson is about proper accessories for proper occasion. Or proper accessories, proper outfit for proper activity. So, mo ni siya ang lesson niya. Okay, so we went to a shopping center, and then at the same time, I incorporate the lessons that we had, and parang application na sad siya. Okay, so the point here is proper accessory for a specific activity. So we have to have the right set of accessories for a certain activity. Okay, so you have, for example, okay, summary na ni siya for the kids. Okay, this is for my kids, so ako na lang sang giapiltan na, no, para proper accessories for for a particular occasion. Again, so for comfort, if we want to sleep, no, for sleeping purposes, they're comfortable wearing pajamas, so pajamas for sleeping. So there's an outfit for sleeping. There's also a proper accessory for a particular activity, like for example, sports. Okay, so this one is a basketball shoes. Okay, again, this is not a sponsored vlog at all. Ako lang i-mention. So the items what we purchase here is based on our preference. Okay, so this one is an accessory. Shoes is considered an accessory, by the way, for right shoes for the activity, which is basketball, because daddy right now is he plays basketball with his office mates, and is also teaching Ethan basketball. So Ethan has also set of basketball shoes, and daddy has his own basketball shoes, for example. And then, for example, you are traveling, and normally man gud when we travel, it's usually by foot good siya kay lagyo kaayo to walk around ka, for example. So this one is like shoes for walking. This is a very comfortable shoes for walking, and it's cute because it has a blue design and it's white, which is like, you know, you can pair it with anything sa top, no. So white is a neutral color, but this is like not white jud. So, nindot sad siya kaayo. Like, you know naman here in our place, kasi desierto, manggod siya. So, sandy ba? So, kung open rapod kaayo, imuhang accessory, imong shoes, imong footwear, malamang na ay mga sand. So, you will feel uncomfortable also. So, in occasions like that, so it's nice to have, especially when you visit like sites, for example, like we went to kanang the Tree of Life, so mas advisable jud ta close ang footwear, for example kay Sandy ba kay t-shirt to baya jud no. By that time I was wearing a different footwear kay mag-church man mi, so I also have like this particular footwear kay sa church nana. So, okay naman po gyapon na. I did not lang kanang brought with me a rubber shoes because my rubber shoes or my sneakers kay yellow siya color. So, di siya fit sa akong outfit. So, katong fit niya mo to hinana. So, you always have to wear like proper accessory, proper footwear for a particular activity. So, mo na ang lessons recap na ko for the kids this time. So, I always try to relate to them that sometimes we go to the mall, like for example, when we shopping, so kana siya, this particular suit is for office. This one is wedding. Na ba? This is for air casual, Friday off na outfit. No, business casual. This one is when you have an executive meeting, when you are for example invited by the executive. So depende sa kung unsang weather sa place. Usually naman there's always an announcement for dress code. So I always tell the children na pag formal event dahil siya ka ng dress code. So you have to wear the proper accessory and proper outfit for that specific event, because that's also a sign of kanang you respect the event and you also respect the host of the event. Okay, tip lang for the kids. So no, so since we are in this discussion of kanang slight touching about decorum, so for example, you are invited to a particular party niya, daghan jud kay nagtao diha normally no. So asa man ka mo bid og farewell? Mo bid kag farewell or goodbye sa host sa nag-invite nimo. Adto ka mo goodbye. Kay cannot say goodbye to kanang all people there. And of course, kung nakay kanang ka-converse na group of people na may exit na ka, so you also, of course, no, alam mo, dito ka sa house, no, I'm not saying that. Sa group of people nga you have a chit-chat or a conversation, so you say goodbye to them properly, and then you also go to the host and then say thank you for the invitation. You enjoy the experience in general. You're so happy that you are invited, and I sincerely and genuinely, you sincerely and genuinely experience imuhang istorya nga you enjoy the entire experience. Thank you for the invitation. I'm happy to see you and happy to see the kanang sa tawag ani to see the familiar people. Okay, mga inana ba sa host dayon. I learned also, which I want to share this to the kids as well, na do not mention about the food is nice. Automatic man na siya when you parang organize an event, organize ka ng may nana on occasion, it's inherent, diretso jud na alam jud dapat ang pagkaon. So you don't say nga thank you, I enjoyed the food, murag unya sige di ka gi-invite, so di ka nag-enjoy sa food sa una, murag inana ba. So again, iklaro lang nako na you don't have to say nga you enjoy the food, lami kay ang food ana. Kay mo na akong na-learn in one of parang etiquette session na you say, you mentioned about thank you for the invitation, I love the experience. Kaya na experience, apil ng food, apil ng food, apil na tanan, set up and everything. And the people you meet, the familiar people, like na ba. Don't mention specifically kay Brom po mainsulto po na siguro dili lami akong food. I'm just that's a personal take lang ha. My personal take nga inana ba. So para proper lang nga goodbye, nga proper na exit. So inana siya. So I'm sharing this kay that's also part of our next lesson. It's more about dining etiquette. Kaya na jud mi na. It's also part in our lesson mga na dining etiquette. So which I'd love to share to my kids, no? Because I'm the one. Our homeschooling is parent-led man siya. Na the experience that I had, if I've done socials, if I invited this and that, and also the lessons learned, and then my insights, if I get invited to certain events. So, para aware jud sila. So, I'm very particular also telling the kids na di man kinahanglan ni super mahal imuhang item. Katawa. Ako may klase ron. Sorry. Nang, di man siya necessary nga sobra ka mahal jud kayo imuhang item, but appropriate lang jud siya. Proper ba? Kay, syempre, gi-invite ka in respect per respeto pod sa host nga nag-invite nimo o sa event. Mao na siya. So, mao na akong sa things na impart nako sa akong kids na it's not necessary na it has to be very expensive, pero appropriate lang siya kay sign man gud na nga girespeto nimo ang nag-invite, respeto nimo sad ang mga attendees, ug respeto pod nimo ang events. Okay? So, mo na siya. Those are the things that I would like to share to you if you find it helpful, and also to my kids. Okay? It's my the way I teach them. Of course, we have a guide. At the same time, guide plus my experience. But of course, it's always parang a guided transfer of knowledge appropriate for their age. Kay mas nindot man gyud na nga maka-experience na there's a actual experience jud, then they can test bitaw and you can have exchange of point of view, they question me and ana. So mo na siya akong sharing for this vlog, and thank you for watching. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.